In inequalities, many students confuse at one point, especially when we write reciprocal of inequality, then the sign of inequality sometimes flips, sometimes remains same. You observe here, I taken an inequality a less than b, a greater than b. When we write its reciprocals, how the inequality sign changes. If both a and b are positive or both a and b are negative, then when we write its reciprocals, inequality sign flips. That means if both are positive, a is also positive, b is also positive, or a is negative, b is also negative. In these cases, when we write its reciprocals, inequality sign flips. That means less than changes to greater than. This you can understand very easily with the help of an example. Here you take 2 is lesser than 10. Correct? Both are positive. 2 is positive, 10 is positive. When I write its reciprocals, 1 by 2, 1 by 10. 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 10 is what? 1 by 10 is 0.1. 0.5 is greater than 0.1. You can understand this very easily, right? So here less than is there, na? That flips and it will become greater than. This works very well when both are negative. For example, minus 2 is greater than minus 10. You know, on the number line, if we take the numbers, here minus 10 will be there, here minus 2 will be there. Minus 2 is bigger than minus 10. Okay. Now, both sides negative is there. Na? When we write its reciprocals, write its reciprocal 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 2 is what? Minus 0.5. Minus 1 by 10 is what? Minus 0.1. Now, what symbol is suitable? You look here on the number line, here 0 will be there, minus 0.1 will be here, minus 0.5 will be here. Minus 0.5 is smaller than minus 0.1. That means here inequality sign flips. Greater than is there, na? That changes to negative. Hope you are understanding. So, when we write reciprocal of an inequality, if both sides positive is present or both sides negative numbers are present, when we write its reciprocal, then inequality sign flips. Okay. And one more thing, in an inequality, if any one side is positive and the other side is negative, then the inequality sign remains same. For example, you take like this, minus 2 is less than 10. One side negative is there and other side positive is there. In an inequality, any one side is positive, other side is negative, then when you write its reciprocal, inequality sign remains same. See, when I write its reciprocal, this is minus 1 by 2, this is a 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 0.5. This is 0.1. This is negative number, this is positive number. Negative number is always smaller than positive number. That means inequality sign remains same. Hope you understand what I am trying to say. In an inequality, if both numbers are positive or both numbers are negative, then when we write reciprocal of inequality, the sign of inequality flips. Greater than changes to less than changes to greater than. At the same time, in an inequality, at any one side positive number is there and the other side negative number is there. When you write its reciprocal, inequality sign remains same. Hope you find this video useful. If you like this trick, please share it with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.